If you don't control your private keys, you don't truly own your crypto. Today, we'll explain wallets, keys, security, and how to keep your coins safe. First, what is a crypto wallet? It's software or hardware that manages addresses and keys to send, receive, and prove ownership of crypto assets. A wallet doesn't store coins the way a bank stores cash. Crypto lives on a blockchain. Wallets store keys that control blockchain addresses. We'll compare hot versus cold wallets, explain public and private keys using low-can key visuals, and share practical security tips you can use today. This guide is for wallet beginners and seasoned users who want clearer mental models and actionable security steps to protect assets. Let's start with the simplest split. Hot wallets for convenience, cold wallets for maximum security. We'll show when to use each and why. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. Examples include mobile apps, browser extensions, and custodial exchange accounts for frequent access. Hot wallets are convenient for trading and daily use, but are more exposed to hacks, phishing, and malware because they stay online. Cold wallets store keys offline. Common forms include hardware devices and paper or metal seed backups kept physically separate from the internet. Cold storage is the strongest defense against remote attackers. It's ideal for long-term holdings and large balances you don't move often. A balanced approach mixes both. Use hot wallets for daily spending and cold wallets for savings, splitting funds by risk and convenience. We'll next visualize public and private keys so these concepts feel intuitive. Think locks, keys, and signed messages on the blockchain. A public key or address is like an email address. You share it to receive funds. It's safe to show publicly. A private key is like the password to that email. Never share it. It proves you control funds and lets you sign transactions. When you send crypto, your wallet signs the transaction with your private key. The network verifies that signature using your public key. Think, public key equals mailbox, private key equals the physical key. Anyone can drop mail, only the key holder can open and spend the contents. Seed phrases are a human-readable backup of a private key. They're the master key. Store them offline, and never type them into random sites. Next, we'll cover practical security tips to help you protect keys, set backups, avoid scams, and use hardware wallets correctly. Tip 1. Always back up your seed phrase offline. Write it on durable material, store copies in separate secure locations, and never share it digitally. Tip 2. Use hardware wallets for long-term holdings. They keep private keys offline and require physical confirmation for every transaction. Tip 3. Beware phishing. Always verify URLs. Never paste your seed phrase into websites, and confirm transaction details on hardware devices when possible. Tip 4. Use separate wallets for different purposes. One hot wallet for spending, one hardware cold wallet for savings, and limited funds on exchanges. Tip 5. Keep software updated. Enable device passcodes and two-factor authentication where available, and verify apps through official sources only. If you ever suspect compromise, move funds to a fresh wallet controlled by a new seed phrase and confirm transactions only with hardware confirmation. Here are some popular wallets. For hot wallets, MetaMask and Trust Wallet are widely used for browser and mobile access. For cold storage, Ledger and Trezor are industry leaders. They offer secure hardware devices and clear user workflows for signing transactions. Remember, popularity doesn't replace good security habits. Use reputable providers, verify downloads, and prefer hardware confirmation for large transfers. Quick recap: wallets manage keys, not coins. Hot wallets equal convenience. Cold wallets equal security. Seed phrases are the master backup you must protect. If you follow basic security steps: offline backups, hardware wallets, careful links, you significantly reduce risk and keep control of your crypto. Want to learn more? Explore deeper guides on wallets, seed management, and secure transaction workflows. Subscribe or visit our site to continue learning.